everyone. Welcome to lesson 2 of YCT standard course. Today, we continue learning how to introduce yourself. 你认识她吗? This simply means, do you know her? Or do you know him? We have two types of ta. The first ta represents a male, and the second ta represents a female. Ta means she or her. Ta also means him or he. 认识 means to know. 你认识他吗? 你认识他吗? We have two types of response. The first one is 不认识他. This simply means, no, I don't know him or her. The second one is 认识他. This means, yes, I know him or her. 不 means no. 不认识他. 不认识他. 认识他. 认识他. This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment, and also to click the subscribe notification button. See you next time. Goodbye.